Madhavi. I'm from Alapi. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar. I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you.
My name is Subhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Subhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. Vasundhara, I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you.
My name is Rangati. I'm from Guwahati. My name is Rangati. I'm from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you.
My name is Benjamin. I'm from Banjul. My name is Benjamin. I'm from Banjul. I saw that but I'm just like you.
My name is Ranimai. I'm from Chennai. My name is Ranimai. I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you. Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji. I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you. My name is Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. My name is Jaswinder. I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you, just like you. My name is India. I'm from India. My name is India. I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
सारे जहां से अच्छा
भारत माता की! भारत अभिनंदन. तसेच सर्व कलाकार चिमुकल्यांचं देखील खूप खूप अभिनंदन आणि खूप खूप धन्यवाद. आम्हाला भारताच्या सर्व विविध संस्कृत्यांचं दर्शन या ठिकाणी आम्हाला करून दिलं. आपल्या देशाची ओळख जगाच्या पाठीवर हीच आहे की आम्ही जरी विविध वेशभूषा धारण करणारे असलो तरी आमच्यातील